Hello, welcome to the channel everyone. Thanks for stopping by. Model Car Guy Rich here. Today I've got an unboxing of the Monogram 1970 Plymouth Superbird. One of my all-time favorite cars. This is a 1/24 scale. Skill level 2 kit. Came out in 1995. And this particular kit is 2758. So alrighty, let's go ahead and get right into it. Hope everyone's having a great day. Now, right off the bat, we have the instructions, but we'll get to those in a minute. Here's the glass. Very distinctive look for that glass. Put that over there. And here's the bag that when I bought it, I must have tore into it just to look at it. I was so excited. And that was it. What I'm going to do, I'm going to grab the tires first. And let's see, they are, wow, big bold letters on there. You can't mistake those. Those are definitely Goodyears all around. They could use some cleaning up. Yeah, that's interesting. Yep, Goodyears all around. Put them back in the box. Here are the chrome bits. Not a whole lot going on for chrome. Air cleaner, rear bumper. Some Chrysler Rally wheels, tricarbs, alright, valve covers. They're smaller than I anticipated. I thought it was going to be 426, but these look like they're 440 engine in this one. Let's see, here's a shifter, rear view mirror, alternator, and what are these? Side mirrors, maybe? Yeah. Mirrors for your side view mirrors. That's it for chrome. Wasn't a whole lot going on there. So here is molded in blue. It's not really petty blue, but it is blue. Let's see here. Oh, nice. It has a simulated vinyl top on there, so that'd be really easy to paint up nice and black. Beautiful body. Man, I always love this car. The GTX, the Roadrunner, the 68 through 70 body style. One of my favorites. Absolutely one of my favorites. Alright, that's cool. Here we have the hood with the elongated nose. You know, specific to the Superbird. Here's part of the wing. The side pieces, I don't know. They probably have a name, but I don't know what that is. I think this is the package tray for the rear seat, and behind under the window. Top of the spoiler. A little piece of like venting there. I believe this goes on the cone of the nose, down over here somewhere. I think that's where that goes. Wheel backings. A intake manifold. I don't know what these are. These are probably the headlight doors. Awfully big though and funny shaped. Scoops for the sides. Oh no, those are here. Huh. Oh, you know what? These are scoops for the hood. For the fenders. That's what those are. Yep. Yeah, they go up there facing the other way. That's right. I forgot about those. Alright. Here we have the rear piece. It says Plymouth right on there. Oh, sorry, right there. Let's move you up a little bit. Or not, there we go. How's that? Yeah, there we go. There's the rear piece. Brake booster. Timing chain cover. Water pump. Rear axle with built-in exhaust and drive shaft. Exhaust manifolds. I think that's 736, yep, 7-blade fan, steering wheel, radiator core support and radiator molded in. Some funny little hairs on there. I think it's just pieces of plastic that were stretched when it was still warm when they were molding it. Alright, here's the rear body chassis. Little piece of flash there. Big old fuel tank. Frame pieces in there, nothing else really. Oh, I thought that was something stuck on there, but it's actually molded in. Those are emergency brake lines or fuel lines simulated into there. That's cool. Alright. And we have the interior tub with very minimal detail. It's there, but nothing to write home about. And then the front seats. Was the back seat molded in? Yeah, the back seat's molded in. Here's front bucket seats and the back of the buckets. And here's the big old engine. Definitely 440. Two sides. Small little fan belt and pulleys. K-frame member. And the dashboard. And heads. Alright, and then something else here. I think that's the distributor. Yep, right there. Oh, and then one of the most important parts, which I think that little vent piece or whatever it was goes right there. And this is the nose. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Alright. And I don't think there's any decals in this one, guys. Oh, I was wrong. I was wrong. There's decals. What do we have? We have the two pieces. These two decals go over across the front of this. If you can see it on the box. See it right there? That's what those are. I'm sure they have a name. I don't know what it is. And the rest is Plymouth and stuff. One of them, you know, depending on your color, you got black or white for your choices. You put it back here on the quarter panels. And license plate, 1970, Illinois plate. And then this one, I can't make out what it says. 440 6 barrel. So that has to go, where does that go? It goes either on the air cleaner. Yeah, I'm not sure. It'll be on the inside of the instructions here. Let me look that up real quick. So instructions we have, that's it. Just one folded sheet. So I'll go ahead and walk you along. Let's see. Number one, we start by putting our tires together. K-frame and the tires. K-frame member. Really? Let's try that again. There we go. And put that onto the chassis. Put your engine. Put your engine together, fellas. And down to 5 over here with the distributor. Okay. Talks about being very specific about which. Well, it's kind of obvious because the tubes are on it, which exhaust goes on which side. Sometimes if it's just the exhaust, you can put them in backwards and not realize it until it's too late. Alright. Got that on. Put the engine in step 6. Put your rear end together. Okay. Nice. $11, $12 is the seat. Yeah, that was oh, there's a package tray back there, but I guess you get a bonus package tray. Alright, whatever. That and that. 15. Putting your wing together. It says there's a decal. Oh, these decals, the Plymouth decals go on the side there. Okay. And then those for the front. And then apparently there's a decal that says Plymouth, the little one that goes on the bottom there. There's that little vent thing goes there. Here we go. 440 goes on the air cleaner. I didn't realize that's where it went. So that's that one. That's the decal for the air cleaner. Boom, boom. Put your little scoops on. And that's it. Last step, 23, is putting the side mirrors on. Well, there you go, folks. I hope you had a great time enjoying that one. That was kind of a quick one. And have yourselves a great day. We'll hope to see you on the next one. Thank you again for coming along. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. It really helps me out. Appreciate it. And keep on modeling.